Workflows are at the center of Prastavi. They represent a business process that is distilled down into a clear step-by-step format. To get started, let's create a new workflow. We can do that by navigating to Workflows and then choosing the New Workflow button. This will take us into the Workflow Builder. We'll name this workflow Request New Hire and choose a category of HR. Great. Now we can see the diagram that we'll use to create our workflow. You'll notice a panel on the left side. It contains all the different types of elements you can add to the diagram. This video will only cover the basics of using the Workflow Builder, but in future videos we'll dive into each of these in depth. To add an element to the diagram, simply click and drag and drop it anywhere on the diagram, or directly drop it onto a connector in order to immediately connect it to another element. We'll give this step a name of Submit Request. Now that it's been added to the diagram, we can drag it around to position it exactly where we want, or we could click on the route to highlight it, and then if you were to use the delete or backspace key on your keyboard, you can easily remove the connection. And then to reconnect it, you just drag a connector onto that element or drag an element onto a connector. If you want to change the direction of where the route starts or ends on an element, you simply hover over an edge of an element, and that will reveal 4 little handles. And then you just click and drag from the route from its current edge to the desired edge. To move around the diagram, all you need to do is click and drag the background, and that'll pan you around. You also have the option to zoom in and out with the buttons found at the bottom left of the screen. Okay, and that's everything you should need to know in order to use the Workflow Builder. Next up, let's dive into the most important element, and that is how you set up a step